Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0x80244FFF that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the error message reads that the Windows update ran into a problem and there were problems checking for updates. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So this error typically implies there's something wrong with our network settings. So we're going to start off by just opening up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And under dito sa most frequent, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows update. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed. And the next step, so close lang natin tong troubleshoot settings and other solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig, so one word yan, and then space //DNS, so one word din yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, so enter mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSOC space reset. Okay? So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space WANSOC space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the WANSOC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. So after ka makapag-restart, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, if the error still persists, so ang gagawin natin is open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So, click mo lang yan. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And select mo lang dito yung advanced network settings. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step. So, kailangan mo mag-scroll down ulit. And then, makikita mo na dito yung network reset. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa network reset, this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So, makikita mo dito yung network reset at dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset now. And next step, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung yes. Alright, so after dito sa network reset, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang ulit mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows update with the error code 0x80244FFF and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.